So there's another trick. You cannot find it anywhere. If you wanna access the service menu of your freezer, you need to quickly, within 3 seconds, touch this corner, this, that, this, that. So if you do it very quickly, it will take you to the engineering mode. Okay, so here you can run self-diagnostic, which shows nothing. It's clear for my refrigerator. Then you can also check the load status. Okay, so what it shows us is fridge is the refrigerator part, C is the freezer, CV is the flexi zone. What it tells me now, the freezer fan is going low, compressor fan, which is behind the fridge, is high. CV valve open means all the gas and cooling power is now going to the flexi zone. Look, it changed to freezer now. And then the fans are in both, the flexi zone is running high and the freezer fan is running low. Okay, so that's how you can really look what's going on in your fridge. And then if you go to force run, actually you can choose one of these options so that you can force the refrigerator to run your fridge, to run your freezer, or to run your compartment flexi zone, or just force the defrost. So that solved my problem. Now I'm observing more. The reason it's 10 Fahrenheit now. I was opening the freezer a lot. But the problem is, like, whether it was a factory leak, could be happening like every few years, or is there another leak in the refrigerator so that I will need to top up the gas in another week or so. Thank you for watching. This will be one of the unique videos you will find about this problem.